Hello everyone, I am Ninad Kulkarni and welcome to my doubt clearing session. The question says, evaluate integration from 0 to 1 x into bracket 1 minus x to the power n dx. So this is the whole question. Because there is 1 minus x raised to the power n, we have to use the substitution method. Just like we substitute x as sine square theta or x as cos square theta. Like this, we have to use substitution method for this problem, for solving this problem. Now we will just note down this problem. Evaluate integration of x 1 minus x to the power n dx from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. So this is the original problem. Now instead of x, we will replace this x by 1 minus x, because we require here x raised to n. X to the power n, we know the formula. Integration of x to the power n is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We know this formula, but we don't know the formula of integration of 1 minus x to the power n. That is difficult to find. So replacing x by 1 minus x, we get integration from 0 to 1. We replace x with 1 minus x. Okay, and here also 1 stays as it is. 1 minus x is replaced by 1 minus x to the power n dx. Okay, so this is the method. Is equal to 0 to 1. 1 minus x, 1 minus, solving the bracket, 1 minus minus will become plus x to the power n dx. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0, is equal to 0 to 1. 1 minus x, and x here, only x will stay here, x raised to n dx. Okay, now this is very easy to find. I will tell you how. Is equal to, now multiplying the first bracket with second one. Okay, 1 into x raised to power n is x raised to power n. Okay, minus x into x raised to the power n. X into x to the power n will become x raised to n plus 1. X to the power n plus 1 dx is equal to 0 to 1, integration from 0 to 1, x to the power n dx, simplifying the brackets, minus integration of x to the power n plus 1 dx from 0 to 1. Okay, so this is the next step. After that, we know that integration of x to the power n, x to the power n is x raised to n plus 1, x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the value of integration of x to the power n from 0 to 1, minus this integration of 0 to 1, integration from 0 to 1, x to the power n plus 1. Just value will remain same. Instead of n plus 1, we will add n plus 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided by n plus 2 from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. So now substituting, instead of x we substitute 1. So 1 to the power n plus 1 is always 1. 1 to the power n plus 1 is always 1. Divided by n plus 1 will stay as it is. Minus 0 to the power n plus 1 is 0. 0 divided by n plus 1 is also 0. Okay. Minus 1 to the power n plus 2 is 1. 1 divided by n plus 2. Minus 0 to the power n plus 2 is 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. Okay. Next, it will become 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 2. 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 2 is equal to n plus 2 cross multiplication minus n minus 1 divided by denominator will be n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, is equal to n will get cancelled. 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by n plus 1 n plus 2. So this is the final answer. Okay, hope this solves your doubt and answers your question. Thank you very much.